So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Capis Sun, Moon, Venus rising from um 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below, and it's life changing. Trust me. And we are soon launching a self love course of 30 days challenge. It's going to make you feel like a rebirth. Okay, now let's start. Okay, honey. Cappies, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Three of Wands and the Two of Swords and the Hanged Man. Okay, this is someone who is feeling like they should keep moving ahead in their life, but their thoughts are complete, but their heart is completely blocked by their own thoughts, and they're stuck on the situation. They are in the surrender mode right now. They feel like they should just surrender to the divine because they're not able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of them, even without you. It's not about with you only. Even without you, they're not able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of them in their love and relationship area. So physically, they feel like they should keep moving ahead. Emotionally, they are stuck in their mind, and energetically, they feel like they should just surrender to the divine. Okay, and let this unfold naturally, and whatever is going to happen, and they will be okay eventually. This is what they're feeling, right? So they just feel like they should do the right thing, whatever it takes, taking the charge of their life in their own hands, making some kind of choices and decisions, and sticking to them on a physical level. Wow. This person is giving me multiple energies in one spread only. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? So, in their feelings, they are not able to understand what they should do in this direction. So, they feel like surrendering to the divine and keeping moving ahead in their life, right? With or without you, right? So, it's like whatever will happen, will happen. In their intentions, they just want to wait for the time when they will be able to their happily when they will be able to get their happily ever after, and when they will be able to be happy again in their life, again with or without you. Capricorn, this person's energies are not stuck only on you. This person's energy is stuck on this kind of energy of wanting to have a beautiful happily ever after kind of deal, even if it is with you or without you. They just want to be happy in their life. They just want to get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy and getting disappointments and over disappointments and failures over failures in their love and relationship area. God, I should breathe. So they're waiting for the time when they will be able to get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, and when they will be able to find their happily ever after again. Even if it is if it is meant to be with you, good. If it is not, if it is meant to be with somebody else, they're okay with that too. But all they want is happiness. All they want is stability. All they want is their happily ever after. Okay. Yeah, all they want is justice from the universe. They're like, I have gone through enough in my life. I have gone through multiple energies, multiple failures, and everything messed up in my life. Now all I want is justice. Now I want to be with the person who is actually meant for me. This is what they want. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 6th of April. We have the Ace of Cups, the Lovers, and the Page of Pentacles. This person still loves you, Cappies. This is somebody who is still in love with you. They think about you, they dream about you, they visualize a future between you and them. So, this is somebody who is feeling like they should come forward towards you, at least for a friendship kind of a deal, and see where things can go from that friendship kind of a level. Might be one of you is already having somebody else in their life, and that is why this person might not be able to come towards you full fledged, like for a relationship or something, or commitment or something. But there are good chances of this person opening up to you and talking to you about reconnecting with them, maybe just as a friend, or maybe for the rest of your life you guys are going to remain friends or something. But this is somebody who feels like they should come forward towards you because they still have feelings for you, they still care for you, and they still visualize you in their future. Even if it does, if even if it means that you guys are not going to be in a relationship, but at least you guys are going to be friends, and at least you guys are going to be in each other's energies. This is what they are telling me in their actions, right? For you, the guidance here is the focus on the stability part right now. Focus on the stability that a family or a family kind of energy can bring you on the table. Maybe you're looking forward to have something solid, something stable, something long term, and something financially stable as well in your life. So focus on that energy as much as you can from your side. Now when it comes to this particular energy or this particular person, it's completely your choice if you want to keep them in your energies or not, keep them in your life or not. But whatever it is, think about the stability part first and then make the right choice and make the wise choice in this direction. Meaning, if this person can bring you something beautiful on the table that is going to help you in getting something better, making your life better in any way, or making you better in any way or something like that, then you can definitely go ahead and connect and go ahead in this direction. But if you feel this person or this situation is going to make your energies go down and you're not going upwards, then it's your choice. Then nobody else is to blame here. Make the right choice, make the right choice, make the wise choice, and then move forward accordingly. Yeah, not don't rush or don't be in this energy of, okay, right now only I have to make the choice and I have to stick to that or something. Take your time. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.